Looking to speed up your installation time on driveways, patios, and steps? Then look no further than U Core, the advanced structural fill system exclusively from Unilock. U Core is a patented, lightweight geofoam block designed to greatly reduce or eliminate settlement when constructing steps, raised patios, driveways, walkways, and other landscape projects. U Core provides the ideal solution for those tight access areas where transporting equipment and tools is next to impossible. It also eliminates the need for excessive fill, which reduces excavation time, materials, and labor, saving you money. For this 400 square foot backyard patio project, Samuel and his team from Canaan Landscaping would have likely taken an entire day to move roughly 100 wheelbarrows full of gravel. But thanks to U Core, they were able to move 45 pieces down the narrow pathway in just 3 minutes. U Core was a definite game changer. What's more, geofoam is an environmentally friendly building material. No harmful greenhouse gases are produced during the manufacturing process. Plus, less excavation when using U Core means less gravel trucks on site, significantly reducing your company's carbon footprint. So why wait? Contact your Unilock representative and start saving on installation time, materials, and money today.